The MP410 projects from laptops and computers, just like most conference or meeting room projectors. With the MP410, you can project using either the included VGA cable or the USB cable. Simply turn the projector and computer on and connect either the computer or USB cable. The projector will auto-search for an input. If, after a few moments, there is still no signal on the projector, press the menu button. Scroll down to Source Select. Press the right arrow until VGA for the computer cable or DO-USB for the USB cable is shown, and press OK. While using the USB cable, if your image is still not displayed, search on your computer for a drive labeled USB display. Open the drive, then run the file do_usb_launcher.exe.